about how to evaluate special logarithms. So one type of special logarithm we have is called a common logarithm. And this happens whenever we have a logarithm that has a base of 10. Whenever we have a common log, we usually don't write the base. So for example, the log base 10 of a is just going to be written as the log of a. So if you see the log of 100, that basically implies that you're talking about a common log with a base of 10. Another type of special log is a log that has a base of e. E is a special number kind of like pi. It's also called Euler's number. And a log with a base of e is called the natural logarithm. And we usually abbreviate this as ln. So instead of writing the log base e of a, we'll just write it as ln of a. And that means we're talking about the natural log. So let's just use what we already know to think about what it means when we have these special types of logs. So if it wants us to find the value of the log of 100, okay, remember this is talking about the log base 10. Well, 100 we can rewrite as a power of 10, right? Because 100 is 10 squared. So we can rewrite this as the log base 10 of 10 squared. So if we rewrite this now in exponential form, that's basically saying that 10 to the x equals 10 squared, right? So which that tells us that x equals 2. So what if we have the natural log of e to the fourth? Well, remember, natural log is like log base e, right? So this is like the log base e of e to the fourth, and if we rewrite this in exponential form, this is saying e to the x equals e to the fourth. So that means that x equals 4. So actually what's interesting about common logs and natural logs is that you can actually evaluate them using your calculator. Thankfully now we have calculators, so we can go ahead and evaluate things like the log of 8, right? So what you do in Desmos is you just type in log, okay, and then you type 8. And if you don't write a base, then Desmos automatically knows you're talking about the common log. And then you just need to round this value to 4 decimal places. So this is 0.903, and then we're just going to round that last place to 1. Okay, that's how you evaluate logs using the calculator. So if we want to find the natural log, instead of typing log, you're just going to type ln. So we do ln 73, and you can see here it gives us the value. So this is going to be 4.2905. Okay, so that's going to be our value of natural log of 73. So now you can go ahead and pause the video and try doing these 2 examples on your own. So if you want to find the log of 12, you're just going to go ahead and type log 12, and you can see it gives you a value that you can now round to 4 decimal places. So we have 1.0792. If we want to find the natural log of 0.75, we just type ln 0.75, and you can see here it gives us the value. So we have negative 0.2877. So remember that common logs or logarithms with a base of 10 are written as log of x. Natural logs are logarithms with a base of e and are written as ln of x. Both of these types of logarithms can be evaluated using a calculator.